Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while because I haven't been really doing anything noteworthy to put in a video, but yeah, finally I'm able to DIY some stuff again, as I'm usually not confident of doing mechanical stuff to the engine and whatnot. But today we'll be replacing the headlights. These are the original EG headlights. I think that's what I've heard so far. So they have all these like ugly lines in between, which is very period correct. The previous owner also changed to these smoke headlights, which are not that nice in my opinion. So the JDM ones are the orange amber ones, which are way nicer. And as you can see, my headlights has already become a mini terrarium inside. So that's not good. So anyway, these are cheap. So I mean, the whole new replacement I got is cheap, like $100 from Shopee. And this right here is the headlight that I'll be replacing it with. So you can see like the stark difference. This is like the glass or plastic, I think, is totally clear. Don't have the lines between. Excuse this protective plastic. So later when I remove, I'll show you the full finished thing. So compare this to like this. I mean, this is with like 30 over years, it's already yellow and ugly and whatnot. So just the fact that it's fully clear is so much nicer. To remove the headlight, you actually have to remove the bumper, and then after that, 2 bolts here. And then I think this one is the one for the side marker. Then I think you also have to remove this one right here. And I believe that should be all. I don't see any other bolts that is holding the headlight in. So actually this is fairly simple. Just need to remove, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, and the whole headlight should come out. Right, so when you start pulling stuff out, remember to unplug all the light bulb harness thing that attaches to it. So yeah, it was just the 4 bolts, and then you can just slowly slide this side marker thing off, and then this one also just pulls out, just like that. So you can see, just pull it out, unplug the wire behind, and you're done. This is kind of what you should be left with. So this one is the H4 plug connector. This one's your pole light. So this one you just twist and turn out. And then that one's your turn signal light. So be careful not to break the clips. So I just noticed that here, the connector for the H4 light is already cracked, and you see this little silver thing can come out. So actually, this connector is junk. I have to try my best to plug this back in later, so that I have headlights. What you have to do next is to actually transfer all your bulbs to the new one. So the new headlight assembly doesn't come with the H4 bulb inside, so you have to just take your existing H4 bulb and then just plug it back in. So it's pretty simple. You find the spring pin over here, push it down, and then the clip comes out like this. So you have to just look for this pin. So this pin, you can see there's this little extended thing on the end, which clips into that little elbow right over there. Then after that, your bulb should just come right out. So be careful not to touch the bulb with your finger, because the oils on your finger can like cause some hot spots on the bulb, and then you'll cause it to blow prematurely. Oh shit, I can't do this with one hand. Okay, the bulb's out now. So then after that, the bulb just goes into the new one in the reverse order. Right, so here's the turn signal. It's a bit simpler than the headlight. You just twist and turn it off. So let me try and support this with my legs while I twist it. So this is the headlight assembly thing. So we just need to twist it. You hear the click, and then you just slowly pull it out. That, easy. Then just put it back into the new one and twist it. Alright, so I got the right side one on, and the fitment is like so much better. There's some like finagling to do. So you see here, there's like not much of a gap for the fender, and as well as the in between the headlights here. So on the old one that I had, you can see there's like this much gap on the fender, and then it pops, the signal light like pops out right here. So the fitment really sucks on this old clear lens, the lens without the lines, and then the amber markers instead of the black one. It looks already so much better, and yeah, I can't wait to get both of them on, and then I can show you guys like how it looks, like the full JDM style, I guess. I've got the other side on now, and I kind of fixed the gapping issue. So actually I realized what happened was that this fender, there's two tabs behind that kind of support this light in place. The two tabs were like already pushed in, probably due to some accident. That's why the signal light had to be replaced to the tinted ones by the previous owner. Why am I not surprised? So anyway, yeah, that's fixed now. So oof, the satisfying part, peel off the sticker. Look at the gap now. It's like so good now. So much better than before. And yeah, I'm really pleased with it. So I think this fender is already like a bit messed up. Probably gonna get like aftermarket fenders down the road anyway. So the only issue that I have now here is like there's this tiny little bit of gap in between, and it like shakes a little bit. I don't know if it will cause any problem, but if it does, probably some foam tape in between will reduce like some rattling. I don't know. Probably that's what I'm gonna have to do if it does rattle and cause an issue, but it's already so much better than before. So I've buttoned up now, and the headlights look so damn good. Like, who knew, right? Turn signals make such a big difference. So it looks super JDM now. These are the lights. And yeah, I have this little bit of bumper gap right here, which I think is more related to the bumper. Like, I probably have to like push the bumper back in and then, I don't know, drill one hole and then just bolt it down over here. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe to my channel because I don't have a upload schedule. I need money to buy parts and time to do stuff like this. And you know, I post stuff that excites me, stuff like this. So yeah, the car looks super good now. Okay, not super good lah, but so much better now. And yeah, follow my Instagram, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video.